Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to connect Xfinity Wi-Fi to your PS5. Now it's easy to do this, so first you need to press the triangle button on your PS5 controller to access the settings menu. Then you just navigate to network and then settings, and here click on setup internet connection, then go ahead and select Wi-Fi. Now the PS5 will actually scan for available Wi-Fi networks. I just want you to go ahead and choose Xfinity Wi-Fi or the specific Xfinity network name you want to connect to, whatever name you chose or what it was set up with. And then, if prompted, you just enter your Xfinity ID and password to sign in or use your Xfinity account to connect automatically, okay? And if you're already logged into the Xfinity account on another device, you may be able to connect your PS5 to Xfinity Wi-Fi by enabling Auto Connect. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So, if this video helped, smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.